Introducing the handheld pill press from LFA. The handheld pill press is perfect for an enthusiast that wants to know what goes into their tablets. With its small size and detachable magnet handles, the handheld pill press is extremely portable. The handheld pill press produces tablets 10mm in diameter, and the thickness is determined by the amount of powder and inserts used. First, take the middle section and partially screw on one of the end pieces. Now take one of the third largest inserts and place it inside the press, followed by your tablet mix. Once your tablet mix has been added, place the rest of the inserts inside, starting with the smallest to the largest. Next, partially screw on the other end cap. Place your magnet handles on the end and then start to apply pressure. Evenly turn the handles until they won't freely turn, and then turn again, applying as much pressure as possible. This will bind the tablet together. Undo the first end cap and remove the first insert. Now remove the second end cap and remove the second insert. In its place, you will put the first insert you removed and then the second insert back on top. Place one of the end caps back on and turn, and this will gently eject your tablet. For more information on the handheld pill press, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.